Top Rankers Management Consultant, a consultancy house promoted by a group of seasoned HRD professionals. It is involved in the training as well as consultancy in the areas of human resource management, HRD and allied services, personal audit, employees welfare and counseling, organization development, general management as well as organizational strategy, performance appraisal, TQM and benchmarking, manpower placement and headhunting. The program aims at creating awareness about leadership as against conventional modes of leadership in the minds of participants, to facilitate an understanding, imbibing the significance and importance of the collective leadership, to generate and sustain the feeling of e-spirits, D-Corps, for organizational cultural transformation and excellence. Mr. V. S. K. Sood, the founder and the CEO of the Top Rankers, is a HR professional with over 30 years of experience. He has an excellent track record of handling critical assignments in the field of training and development, designing and implementing appraisal systems, organizational studies, and restructuring the job evaluation, designing compensation plans, manpower rationalization, redeployment, personal audit, industrial relations strategies, and employee welfare and counseling. One of the prominent features of the program emphasizes the presentation of Top Rankers Excellence Awards at the time of inauguration to the senior professionals in the field of HR, marketing, finance, IT and production for their valuable understanding and contribution to their respective professions. It is presented in association with one of the leading management institutes and will be titled as GSBA Top Rankers Excellence Awards. Besides the awards, other 4 awards are Top Rankers Excellence Achiever Award, Top Rankers Excellence Entrepreneurship Award, Top Rankers Excellence HR Pride Award, and Top Rankers Excellent Dynamic Leadership Award, given on the recommendations of Intellectual Support Panel. Our mission is to shape the world of work, and we achieve this through our vision of finding jobs for people and candidates for clients. Our vision for the future, further endorsed by our core values, we are experts. We know our clients, their companies, our candidates, and our business. In our business, it's often the details which count the most. We achieve this through a spirit of excellent service, exceeding the core requirements of our industry. We watch and match the right candidates to our clients, work opportunities in mutually beneficial appointments.
It was a movement unstoppable by the Tigers. The feeling came, yes, we can do it. एक जबरदस्त एहसास था कुछ कर गुजरने का.
The Top Rankers, one and the only one-stop solution for all top ranking companies in India and abroad.